In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable form in Salesforce. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you effortlessly build a form that can capture the information you need from your customers, whether you're working with leads or cases. This process will allow you to efficiently gather the data that's most critical for your business, ensuring that you stay organized and responsive to your customers' needs. Let's get started. First, navigate to the top right corner of your Salesforce interface, where you'll see the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to a myriad of configurations. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Setup. This setup area is where you can access a wide array of customization options, allowing you to modify Salesforce to align perfectly with your business's unique requirements. Once you enter this advanced setup, you'll find a search bar prominently displayed. We'll use this handy tool to locate the specific forms we need. Now, if you are focused on gathering customer information for potential sales leads, type in Web to Lead. However, if your focus is more on case management, type in Web to Case. Right after you've entered your term in the search bar, you will find the relevant option. Click on it to proceed. This will direct you to the platform you need for building your form. You'll soon come across the option to create a web-to-lead form right on the screen. Clicking on this option is a pivotal moment, as this is where the form creation process begins. On the form setup page, you will see a list of available fields that you can opt to include in your form. When selecting these fields, it is essential to think about what information is most valuable for your business operations. Depending on your needs, common field choices might include name, email, and company. Carefully selecting the right fields ensures that you're obtaining all the necessary data to build comprehensive client profiles or manage cases effectively. Once your fields are all set, another critical step awaits. It's time to determine where users will be redirected after submitting their form. You will want to set a return URL. This URL is the page people will land on after hitting that submit button. Consider creating a thank you page that not only confirms the successful submission, but also outlines any next steps they can expect. This enhances the user experience and provides closure. Think about security measures next. Implement reCAPTCHA by entering your API key pair. This step is vital to protect against spam submissions and ensure that the data collected comes from real users. With these security measures in place, you're safeguarding your data's integrity. After ensuring everything is perfectly set, it's time to click Generate, which will prompt Salesforce to produce an HTML code for the form you've just configured. Salesforce's system handles the heavy lifting, crafting the code that beings your form to life. The last essential task is implementing this form on your website. Simply copy the generated HTML code and paste it into the section of your website where you'd like the form to appear. Remember, this is the very space where your customers will fill out their information. And there you have it. By following these detailed steps, you've successfully created a fillable form in Salesforce that integrates smoothly with your website. This tool now empowers you to manage leads and cases more efficiently, allowing you to gather critical information directly from user submissions.